Lunicom claims to be more than just a bracelet. According to its website, this product is designed to calm the nervous system, reduce stress, and help the body feel safe again, especially for women dealing with anxiety, poor sleep, or fertility-related stress. The brand suggests that when stress pushes the body into survival mode, natural processes like rest, hormonal balance, and even pregnancy can be affected, and that simply wearing this bracelet can help restore calm, balance, and hope. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. Now let's talk about what LunaCalm promises. The website claims the bracelet can reduce stress hormones like cortisol, restore uterine blood flow naturally, stimulate the vagus nerve, and deliver instant calm, deeper sleep, and emotional relief. It says these effects come from special stones such as moonstone and rose quartz, combined with something called pseudoscience field technology, which is described as creating a microcurrent that interacts with the body. These are very strong claims, especially when they relate to hormones, the nervous system, and reproductive health. One major red flag is that these claims are not supported by solid scientific evidence. Lowering cortisol levels, stimulating the vagus nerve, or improving uterine blood flow are complex biological processes. In real medical settings, vagus nerve stimulation requires specialized, targeted electrical devices, not passive jewelry. There is no credible clinical evidence showing that minerals worn on the wrist can generate meaningful microcurrents that change hormone levels or nerve activity in the human body. Concepts like crystal energy fields or piezo-calm effects are not recognized by mainstream science and closely resemble crystal healing beliefs rather than proven physiology. Another concern is the medical-style language used without proper validation. Claims about restoring uterine blood flow and improving the body's readiness for pregnancy imply real physical changes. However, the website does not provide links to peer-reviewed human studies or clinical trials that prove these effects. While stress can influence overall health, directly attributing fertility-related improvements to a bracelet without clinical proof is misleading and can give false hope. The marketing approach itself is another red flag. The website relies heavily on emotional language and personal testimonials, including stories tied to pregnancy and dramatic life improvements. Testimonials may sound convincing, but they are not scientific evidence. They are often chosen to trigger emotions and do not represent typical or guaranteed outcomes. This kind of marketing can strongly influence people who are already stressed or vulnerable. There's also an issue with vague, scientific-sounding terminology. Phrases like piezo-calm field technology are not established concepts in neurology or medicine. When a product uses impressive-sounding words without clearly explaining how they work or backing them with independent research, it's usually a sign of pseudoscientific marketing rather than real innovation. The bracelet also follows patterns commonly seen in crystal healing products. Any calming sensation a user experiences may come from expectation or belief, known as the placebo effect, rather than an actual physical change in stress hormones or nerve signals. Feeling calmer while wearing jewelry does not automatically mean the jewelry is biologically changing the body. Another red flag is the claim that the product is grounded in peer-reviewed research while failing to cite any specific studies. Legitimate science-backed products clearly reference research sources. When those sources are missing, it raises serious questions about credibility. Finally, LunaCalm appears to overpromise results in areas like stress relief and fertility, which are complex and highly individual.
suggesting that a bracelet can restore bodily balance or improve reproductive outcomes without regulatory approval or medical oversight is concerning. Combined with urgency-driven marketing and emotional storytelling, the focus seems more on selling hope than providing proven results. So, while Lunicom may function as a normal bracelet, and some users may enjoy wearing it, the health claims made around stress hormones, nerve stimulation, and fertility are not supported by reliable scientific evidence. Anyone dealing with serious stress, sleep issues, or fertility concerns should seek guidance from qualified healthcare professionals rather than rely on unproven wellness products.